But the biggest feedback I got on that video was simply, if you think I'm gonna put 800 ingredients together to make my breakfast, you are wrong.
Oops. Hey y'all, welcome to Maddie Pants, and in this video, we're eating some oatmeal. Well, technically we're eating overnight oats, which if you've never heard of it, it's basically oatmeal, but instead of putting it in the microwave, you put it in your fridge and you wait overnight for the oats to soak up all the milk and stuff, and then you eat it in the morning cold. Now, I have been a fan of Simply Nailogical, aka Christine with no H, since the dawn of YouTube. Or
since I first discovered YouTube and started watching YouTube for too many hours of the day and then stopped watching all other media and just started watching YouTube.
She's a Canadian-based YouTuber that started off doing nail art tutorials on her channel, but has since transitioned into a more comedic channel where she films with her cats and her boyfriend Ben. I mean, if you're watching me, you've probably already heard of Simply Nailogical, and if you haven't, listen, do yourself a favor. After this video, fall down the YouTube rabbit hole into the channel that is Simply Nailogical. Or you could fall down the YouTube rabbit hole of watching all my videos. Here's a playlist.
Ciao. Anyway, so
now Christine has gotten so popular that she even started her own nail polish line, of which I've purchased from a few times. Not that you can tell by my naked nails, but as funny as her videos are and as high quality as her Hollow Taco products are, none of it has gotten me as excited as when she posted her tutorial for overnight oats. You see, I've been making overnight oats for years now.
I like to have them for breakfast. They're really easy to take to work and have for breakfast. You just pour some oatmeal and some almond milk, and I usually crush up a banana into a little container, and I have it for lunch.
I have it for breakfast the next morning, and for quite literally years now, I have been watching Christine's Snapchat stories where she often features her own recipes for overnight oats. And specifically, I would always see her post these mint chocolate chip cookie oats. And they always looked so good, and I was like, when Christine?
When are you gonna do a video about this?
And she did, she finally did. She posted a video on how she makes her overnight oats, but it was for the banana bread flavor of her oats. And in that video, she said she was gonna keep her mint chocolate chip ones a secret. Listen, there's nothing wrong with banana bread. I'm sure it's great, but you know what my favorite ice cream is? Mint chocolate chip. I wanted to know how Christine made it in oat form, but nevertheless, I was excited that she posted a tutorial, and I immediately made a video where I copied it, and to this day, that is still my best performing video. Probably because I put Simply Nailogical in the title, and she found my video when she Googled herself, so.
what am I most interested in? Definitely overnight oats. Oh my god, people made my oats? I did not know that.
So, flash forward a year, Christine started her own podcast, and one of the sponsors on her podcast was this company called Oats Overnight. They make different flavored, like powdered oatmeal patches, and then you pour it in their blender bottles with your milk, and it's like having overnight oats. And on February 6th, in the year of our Lord, 2021, Christine revealed her collaboration with Oats Overnight for the new flavor, mint chocolate chip cookie. Y'all, she monetized her secret recipe. I mean, props to you, Christine. Props. You get that hustle, girl. She was probably thinking like, oh, I gave the banana bread one away for free. I gotta cash in on my mint one. It's that good. And I guess she was making it like more accessible for the rest of us, you know, so you didn't have to like go out and buy maca powder and weird coconut oil. You could just buy a little pouch instead and then have her oats. So it's fine. But y'all, she got me. I ordered these oats directly from that video. I whipped out my credit card faster than you could say impulse buy. I was influenced by the oats. Chai's here now, everyone. And I figured, you know, I made a video before about Simply Nailogical's oats. Might as well make another one. All right, let's go make these oats. And by that I mean, let's flash back to me yesterday making these oats.
Flashback.
Okay, y'all, it is currently, I can't read that. It's 10:42 at night, which is fairly late, and I need to make these oats so I can have breakfast tomorrow. I have not opened the package yet, so consider this the unboxing. I mean, it is the unboxing. Don't consider it. This is the unboxing. Let's open these oats. It's really late. I couldn't find my scissors, but don't worry. I have a knife. Let me see what you have. A knife! No! Okay. Whoa. Oh man. Here we go. Ooh, there she is in all her mint glory. Wow. Seriously though, this color is so beautiful. Oh, I love mint. I love pastels, but this mint color is... I should probably wash this before I use it. Ugh. I'm very excited to smell it. Kind of just smells like chocolate powder, honestly. And a little bit like cookies and cream. Kind of like cookies and cream protein powder. You know, it smells like cookies and cream, like an Oreo, but then it also smells like that protein powder smell, which probably is what's in this, so I'm not surprised. All right, we've got to do our milk first. I'm using almond milk. Christine uses oat milk. Fill her up. Wait. And then you dump in your powder. Ooh. There's a little cocoa. Oh, my nails. Ooh. I am not the nail queen that Christine is. This one I picked off completely today. But you can see there's little dark spots. Those are cocoa nibs, which are kind of like healthy chocolate chips, but not anything like chocolate chips, but sort of in the same field as chocolate chips. They are good. I do like them.
Hi, do you like my oatmeal? My oats overnight? You can't have oats. You're a cat. Aww. Yes, we know. We know you are cute and precious. I mean, have you ever seen anything so cute in your entire life? Okay, back to my oats.
All right, now I'm gonna close this lid, shake it briefly. Shouldn't be allowed to do this sort of thing. And now we're gonna put her in the refrigerator and let her sit overnight.
Excuse me, Chai. Okay, good night, Oats. I'll see you in the morning.
End of flashback.
Here they are, my precious oats overnight. Let's do an initial taste test, shall we? This will just be like, you know, first impressions taste test. And then throughout the week as I make more, I'll let you know how I liked it, or if I drink it more, if I drink it less, or whatever. Ow, strained a neck muscle. Cheers. Okay. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, on flavor, this gets a 9. It's like nearly perfect to mint chocolate chip ice cream. And I get a little like Oreo flavor aftertaste in there too. Now, as far as like texture and consistency, it's more like drinking a smoothie than like drinking oatmeal. Maybe that's just because it's mostly liquid on top and a lot of the solid stuff is in the bottom. Nope, maybe it's just liquid throughout. But still, on a scale of 1 to 10 for texture, I'm gonna give it like a 5. Let's talk about what I actually ordered. Now, for a one-time purchase for 8 packets and the blender bottle, I paid $29. Which is a huge chunk of change, in my opinion. 8 packs for $29 is $3.62 a pack. But because it's my channel, we're gonna do a price breakdown because I love talking about price and we love math on this channel. I looked at what a subscription of these would be. So if you sign up for a subscription of these, it's $26.10, meaning 8 of these are $3.26. And each packet is 2.7 ounces, which means 1 ounce comes out to $1.20. In comparison, you can get Quaker Oats instant oatmeal packets, a box of 10 you can get for like $2.59. Now the packets are smaller, they're only 1.51 ounces. So if you break it down, the Quaker Oats are only 17 cents an ounce. So Oats Overnight is like 7 times more expensive than grocery store Quaker Oats. But they are very different. This has like 22 grams of protein and Quaker has like, I don't know, 1. So we're comparing apples and oranges here. Anyway, cheers to the next week of drinking my oats in the morning. I'm gonna go finish these, even though I already made dinner and ate dinner. But this is dessert. It's in a mint chocolate chip ice cream. Just have mint chocolate chip oats. All right, I'll update y'all in a little bit.
2 days later.
Okay, y'all, I look like a hermit. I apologize, but it's a few days later. I had my oats this morning, and look, there's some on the bottom that just never made it into my mouth. Ooh, it's kind of like so thick that it's hard to drink. But I think for tomorrow's overnight oats, I'm gonna make it with oat milk because that's what Christine uses. I've been using almond milk, but this was on sale at Target, so we're gonna try oat milk. Maybe it'll make a difference. Y'all, shocking discovery, but oat milk tastes kind of like oats. Good night. Good morning, oats. All right, let's try these oats with oat milk. Cheers. Ooh, it tastes pretty much the same except for it's a little bit sweeter. I think I like it a little bit more, but I probably wouldn't buy oat milk just for this, especially when almond milk is cheaper and I like almond milk just fine. It is better. It's a little more vanilla-y, a little sweeter. I like it.
2 weeks later.
All right, y'all, it's been about 2 weeks and I have some thoughts and some feelings. Y'all, I wanted to like these oats. I really did. I tried making them with oat milk, as you saw, but I figured out I just really didn't like drinking my oats. The texture is just really weird and it gets really thick at the bottom. And sometimes you have to like tilt the bottle like a full 180 to get the oats to come out. So then I had the idea to make them thicker and eat them with a spoon because that's more what I'm used to. So I just used 4 ounces of milk instead of 8 ounces, shook it up, left it in the fridge overnight, and tried it the next morning. All right, y'all. Here is what the thicker oats look like. This is a little closer to the consistency that I am used to. It's a nice thick spoonful. The texture is better. I do prefer this to drinking them. However, they still kind of just taste like protein powder. And it's not very much. Like, it only comes up to here. Usually when I make my oats, they're like, you know, this whole container. But I mean, I guess it still has 22 grams of protein in it. I feel like whenever I eat this, it doesn't satiate me for long. Like, I still get hungry like 2 hours later, so. This way makes it better, but still not great. But yeah, it still didn't taste totally right to me, which led me to this conclusion that Oats Overnight is just protein powder with oats in it and not so much your classic oatmeal. It's a protein shake. I feel like they should market it as a protein shake. But I wanted to get a second opinion on this, so I had my boyfriend and his brother try it out. All right, I want y'all to try these overnight oats. That's Steven, and that's Steven's little brother. And then I need, okay, give me on a scale of 1 to 10 for taste, and then a texture scale from 1 to 10.
Texture's like a 0. Okay, a 1. Texture's like a 1. Taste is good. Tastes great. I would eat it.
Taste 8.
Taste
Texture,
is 8.
2.
Yeah.
Soggy cereal. Texture.
Ooh, soggy cereal.
I do like Simply Nailogical, but I would not spend $30-something on this. That is outrageous.
How much?
For like 6 packets of this.
Price 0.
Yeah, for that reason, it gets a 0 all around. That's insane.
So you wouldn't order it, or you wouldn't order it ever on your own?
If I'd ordered it with my own money, I would be offended.
Okay, any other thoughts?
Is there a cheaper shipping option? Does it come from Canada?
No, it comes from Arizona.
Towards the end, sounds like
Cheaper,
cat food.
you know. It smells like cat
Towards
food.
the end.
Oh my god.
Kinda, right?
Oh my god.
What?
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah, I can see that. I think that's the whey protein you're smelling.
Okay.
That's probably what it is, yeah.
I mean, it's nothing.
If you do mine at 8 and 2, so
4.5.
It would be 5. Yeah, 5.
But because of the price, 0. Angry.
Okay. Yeah, not exactly rave reviews. Basically, if you already like protein shakes, you like protein powder, then I would recommend this product. The flavor is really good, and the oats and the cocoa nibs, they add a little, you know, crunch factor to your protein shake. But for all of us regular old overnight oats lovers, I would say save your money. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you would like to see how I make my overnight oats. It's pretty basic, but if you'd like to see that, leave a comment. Maybe I'll make a TikTok of it. I'm trying to up my TikTok game, so I'll force myself to make a TikTok. I'm at Maddie.pants on TikTok. Please consider subscribing and maybe I'll make another video. Okay, bye y'all. Sorry, Simply Nailogical. I really like the oats you made with your, you know, fancy Whole Foods ingredients. Those were really yummy. I'd make those again. Also, my nails are no longer naked. I put on press-ons. These are some Kiss press-on nails that I put on yesterday because I'm not talented enough to do my own nails. I believe I spent like $35 and put 800 ingredients in oatmeal just so I could copy Simply Nailogical.